ready for bottom paint. These are scratches in the gel coat, and they have been filled with gel coat of the same color, and they are in the process of being wet sanded with 1000 sandpaper and then buffed.
Okay, here I am at the boatyard checking up on my boat. Going into week 3, and hopefully you can see if they're buffing out the hull, and right there is where they stopped. It had just been done in October, so that shows in that amount of time how it can change. It looks beautiful. Here is the stern, all ready and waiting for me to do my new graphics. Old name off. Hopefully we'll have the renaming ceremony soon.
This is prep for the port side boot stripe. Had so many dings on the port and starboard that we're doing the boot stripe complete. This is the starboard side boot stripe prep. It's been taped off. Now it's being filled and sanded, getting ready for spray paint. This is brand new boot stripe paint that George has just put on. Had to tape off both sides, top and bottom, to get it done.
I thought I would take a quick little video of the interior of my boat. If anybody wants to cry along with me, please feel free. I have not seen this inside for about a week, and it is absolutely torn apart everywhere. This is definitely not how it looked when it came to the yard, but part of the necessary evil to get everything fixed. Here is one of the projects that we're doing, replacing the through hull for the head. Just waiting on parts to come.
Placing a through hull for the discharge for the head. And we have taken it out, put the new part in, and did a dry run, a dummy run, to make sure everything fits. This type of through hull has a threaded through hull from the outside that needs to be cut to the correct depth to thread into the top half. So a dry run is always needed to confirm that everything fits. We checked our dry fit. Now we have cut off the through hull that threads into the upper body to make sure that it is the right depth and does not bottom out on the thread. Put it in there. This is a tool made to put through holes in. That gives you the leverage to tighten them completely. This is our dry run. Now that we know everything fits, we will 52 and seal it.
6 wraps of Teflon tape around it in the thread direction, so when you turn it, it keeps the thread tight. Stop. So the Teflon tape is on. You put a very healthy bead of 5200 around the base of the through hull flange. Okay, nice and even all the way around. Need the tool. It's stepped.
all of them.
We got this piece started, threaded by hand. Now I'm going to crank on it using the tool. Now the fun starts. There it is. Then clean it up. 50 WD-40 is the best thing for cleaning up wet 5200. After that, you can't.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below. And don't forget to subscribe because I post videos every week. And next week we go behind the scenes and watch how our local diesel shop here, Marine Diesel of the Florida Keys, does all my running gear work. You don't want to miss that.